In this video, we're going to learn how to do a split at the beginning of the video so that there's not a big gap before you start speaking on your video. Pay attention to what Dee has to tell you, and I'll see you in a bit.
So what you want to do though is focus on the very beginning of the video. That's what we're going to do right now. So we're going to go to the very beginning of the video by scrubbing to the left of the timeline. And I'm going to inch along frame by frame or bit by bit until I get the part right before I start speaking. And in order to do that, I want to expand the timeline because as I expand the timeline, it allows me to move through more frames easier. When it's smaller, when the timeline is contracted, you skip along quicker, but when it's expanded, you can scroll through really slowly. So I'm going to scroll along until I start to move my mouth. Right when I start to open my mouth, right about there, I'm going to tap on the clip. I'm going to look down at the bottom here in the tools, and I'm going to tap on split. Now what just happened is the split tool cut the video. I can select the video that I want to delete. I can highlight that. Then I can go back down to the tools and I can tap on delete. Now that clip is gone, it has moved my video to the very beginning. So if I were to hit play, it would start playing the video exactly where I want it to go. This is the best free editing app in the entire world. That's exactly how I want it to play. You don't want any dead space at the beginning of your YouTube videos. You want things to start quickly. You want to get the message directly to the viewer to let them know that they clicked on the right video, and you don't want to waste their time. And if this feels awkward to you at first because you're not used to editing, keep going, keep practicing. This does get easier. And if you're on a phone, you're going to be doing a lot of pinching and zooming with your thumbs. That's okay too. Do this however you want. Practice as much as you need to practice. You will get the hang of it and it gets a lot easier. So now that I had the very beginning worked out, I'm going to scrub along and I'm going to play it and I'm going to listen to see where I stop speaking. I might want to put another cut there. So I'm going to play along and see what I do here because I actually don't remember. This is the best free editing app in the entire world. And yes, I've tried them all. And yes, that's what I'm using to edit this video. Okay, so I made an obvious pause there and I looked away. Now, I don't know if this is going to be the final edit that's going to make this video, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm leaving this in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go along until I stop speaking. Okay, right there. I know that I finished. I'm going to tap on the clip and I'm going to tap on split. Then I'm going to hit play again and I'm going to wait until I start speaking again. It's available on your phone, your tablets, and your okay, I messed up. It's available on your phone, your tablets, and your desktop computers. Okay, I think I got that one. So I'm going to go back to where I started speaking here after I messed up. It's already selected, so I'm going to tap on split again. Then I'm going to delete the clip that I don't want, and it's automatically going to close those two clips.
So let's recap what you have learned today in today's video. You've learned how to use the split function, where you can split your video and get rid of that dead space. Stay tuned for the next video.